So hey friends, how are you? Today is day 19 of our 21-day challenge, one application per day. And today we are building chess game in which you can play with AI. So I'm thinking to provide a list of available models and you can choose between them and you can play with any AI. So let's dive into that. Also, there's another great model from China that is open source. So we will talk about that also. So let's see. Here is that. This is Z.ai and AI, and the model name is GLM 4.5, GLM 4.5 and 4.5 Air. So as you can see that it is better, is performed better than Claude 4 Sonnet and also Opus. So the Air model, which is the lighter version of GLM, so it performed better than Claude 4 Sonnet, and 4.5 performed better than 4 Opus. So these are very expensive models. So it is an open source. So GLM model is open source. So this is a uh, this is a great model, and it also has this. You can access this GLM models on this jad.ai, and today we are trying that. I did not try this GLM model before, so let's try if this can build our chess game. So I will choose here full stack, and you can log in and try this Z.ai yourself. Uh, so let's give a prompt. ओके तो मैंने प्रॉम्प्ट लिख दिया है और इसमें मैंने यही लिखा है कि यू नीड टू क्रिएट अ चेस गेम इन विच आई कैन प्ले विद ए आई एंड यू विल यूज ओपन राउटर ए पी आई फॉर ए आई मॉडल्स. So what is open router? If you don't know it, it is a unified system to access all of the models, Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, all of them. And also open router provide free models, free providers. And I mentioned here that user can pick any model from some chooser, and OpenRouter provides an API for listing the all available models, so it will fetch from that. And also light dark theme support, and with default device theme. Okay, and also it should provide the short commentary with each move, and no login, no sign up, responsive to mobile, tablet, desktop. Very well. Okay, तो देखते हैं. I'm very excited to build this application. It will be interesting application. So Z.ai, it is when you select here the full stack option, then and the interface will be similar to Lovable or Bolt, and it is already created an environment, and it is creating to do. Let's see. Really very excited to play this game. ओके तो एक ही प्रॉम्प्ट के बाद में जस्ट एक इशू आया, और आई पोस्टेड दैट console error in this, and we have the game. I need to test it. I can see some of the UI issues here, so I attached the screenshot and asked it to fix this. So let's see. Okay, it says that it fixed it, but I cannot see anything here. Yes, I can see. All right, let's try again. AI is thinking. Let's see if we get a move. No, I did not get the other player move automatically, which was expected. So let's fix this again. It seems like I'm able to. Okay. So I said it to fix this issue, and because it is a ready, this chess game is ready. So I also requested it to put a toggle button for manual two-player game or play with AI. So I think it will not be hard for it to do, to give a toggle button. And by the way, this chess board, I like this chess board. Where's the preview? Preview is gone. Where's the preview? Yes, got it again. Okay, if you still don't know much about this Z.ai, it is a Chinese company that is open source, and these models are performing best in the market. And it is open source means you can see its code and run in on your own computers if you have an capable computer. If you want to see the benchmarks, you can just type AI leaderboard or the benchmarks, and there are many benchmarks out there. You can see that these are proprietary uh, models, Grok or 3 Gemini, but this Quen 3 is open source. Then GLM 4.5 is here, and this DeepSeek will be here also. Okay, let's see if it has finished. Yes, it is it's still working on this. I think it has finished it because it is checking for the lint errors. Versus AI and two players playing versus AI. Okay, let's test again if it is working. AI is thinking. AI black. E2, E4. So I will say it to, because I can see that it does not have a default API key in .env, and we need to put our API key again and again. So I am asking it to create environment file for uh, OpenRouter API key and default model. Use that is code. Okay. Uh, let's create this environment file, and meanwhile we can test with our own API key. It has created the environment file, but I cannot see in the code here. Maybe because of the limitation of this viewer, file viewer, it is not showing the hidden files, I think, dot files. So let's try with our own API key, and let's choose this Horizon Alpha. And this Horizon Alpha is the uh, pre-released model of GPT-5. Okay, this is good that I can now choose this. Let's see if AI is AI black. No. I fixed this again. Okay, it says that it has fixed. Let's try. I'm excited. Uh, okay. AI is thinking. Yes. Yes. It's working. Mm-hmm. I'm super excited while playing this chess game with AI. Current player black. It is stuck on current player black. AI take it small and multiply AI should change. Okay, so we faced an issue earlier that the AI was not taking its move. So let's try again if it is working. So friends, another day. I could not finish this chess AI yesterday. I was facing a lot of issues, and today I continued that, fixing the bugs, and I show you the current progress. Let's dive directly into the application. Let's start our server, npm run dev. Now refresh it. And yesterday we had only one mode in which versus AI, but now I introduced to versus AI, two player, and AI versus AI. So I was checking this mode and I faced multiple issues one by one. So I was fixing that. But let's see how far we have come. I'm super excited with this idea because one leading AI is competing with another AI. Currently, I'm testing with same AI models like Horizon Beta, which is uh, people are saying that it is the pre-release version of ChatGPT 5. I don't know. So I'm excited because I can choose any of the AI model available in OpenRouter, and actually all the models are available in OpenRouter. So you can choose any from uh, for white and for black. So you can see, okay, we again hit some error, but yes, it fixes itself. So when there's some error and we get some unexpected response, we show the error to the user so he can retry manually. Otherwise, we have continuously retrying for some instances for 2-3 times. So this is the current progress, and I can still see some of the issues. So this was the application. I will fix if there's something we can do in this way. I think the retry mechanism is working, because if there's some error, the retry mechanism then retry for the API request, and it gets the response and fixes it. So this was the application, and in this current application, current game which we developed, I learned many things like debugging. Actually, I know that how to debug, but in this 21-day challenge, I did not face much issues with AI capabilities and AI coding. But in this chess game, because it was trickier, I wanted to try. I wanted to cross the limits of AI capabilities. So I wanted to try some harder than I did before. So it turns out that with some critical things, with some complex logics, AI still has some issues, and we need to then again debug and fix those issues. But so far the experience is good because I did not write any line of code. It was completely vibe coded. So the experience is good because if AI is facing some issues after coding, and we have some issues in the application, then AI is again itself fixing it. So the experience is not very smooth, but AI can fix that, so that's okay. So that was the whole video, and we learned that how can we vibe code any application. We vibe code the first version with low code to or no code tools available online, and then we clone it to Cursor and fix or implement the further things in Cursor. and I hope you like this video. So if you like, do subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow with next challenge.